So for the last week, walking to and from work, there's been this black bird that just doesn't like when people walk by. Dive bombs every time, and I see it. I see it right now. Oh, you jerk. Right on top of that. Right there. There we go. Let's see if it dive bombs me today. Must have a nest around here. Darn right, here it comes. Jerk, get out of here. Oh. You know how hard it is to film and catch a bird dive bombing you at the same time? Well, I made it home safe. Bird's back there. Let's see what happens after lunch. And just for the record, it did dive bomb me 3 times. The one I kind of got on video, the other 2 I didn't, because as soon as I would go to post it, I would turn my head to look down at my phone. Next time I look up and it's coming at me. So, we'll see on the way back. We'll see. Round 2. Let's see what happens. Oh man, this ball might get dive bombed. She might get dive bombed. I saw a bird. It's going crossing the street. There it comes, there it comes. You bastard, get out of here. God, you. Get out of here. I have a bully. But I won today. Survived for another 4 hours.